Breakfast. Bagel. Bagel. I like to spread cream cheese on top of my bagel. Toasted bread. Toasted bread. I like eating warm toasted bread in the mornings. Egg. Egg. Sunny side up egg. Sunny side up egg. For breakfast, I like having two sunny side up eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. I like to put hot sauce on my scrambled eggs. Poached egg. Poached egg. Poached eggs are made by breaking an egg and cooking it in hot water. Hard boiled egg. Hard boiled egg. Before eating a hard boiled egg, you need to remove its shell. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is very tasty and sweet. Pancake. Pancake. I like to top my pancakes with maple syrup. Butter. Butter. There are two sticks of butter in this picture. Cheese. Cheese. There are many different varieties of cheese. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. I really like the taste of peanut butter. Strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. Blueberry jam. Blueberry jam. Raspberry jam. Raspberry jam. Strawberry jam is very sweet. Blueberry jam is sweet and tart. Raspberry jam is very delicious. Honey. Honey. I put honey on my pancakes when I don't have maple syrup. . Avocado toast. avocado toast, egg toast, egg toast, cream cheese toast, cream cheese toast, peanut butter banana toast, peanut butter banana toast. I like to top my avocado toast with tomatoes. I like to top my egg toast with sunny side up eggs. Cream cheese toast is salty and sweet. My favorite breakfast toast is peanut butter banana toast. Omelette, omelette. There are tomatoes and mushrooms inside of these omelets. Breakfast cereal, breakfast cereal. There are many types of breakfast cereals. Sausage, sausage. There are 3 sausages in this frying pan. Bacon, bacon. Many people love to have bacon and eggs for breakfast. Orange juice, orange juice. Smoothie, smoothie. Milk, milk. I don't drink orange juice in the mornings. Blueberry smoothie is very tasty and refreshing. I like to have a bowl of breakfast cereal and milk in the mornings. Coffee, coffee. Tea, tea. I always have a cup of hot coffee in the mornings. In the afternoons, I enjoy having a cup of tea. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video,